Hey everybody, just a short tutorial of something I actually made a couple weeks ago and forgot to share. So I got these 4 little crates at the Dollar Tree. My family kept losing remotes, so I wanted just like a stationary place to keep them all. So here I'm just kind of gluing them together. I did spray paint them a light gray, but I will be changing that up as you'll see here pretty quickly. But first thing was first, I did assemble them the way I wanted. I wanted all 4 to be functional and able to hold things in. So I did move the top 2 crates back a little bit, but I can still stick stuff in the bottom 2 as well as the top 2. I wasn't happy with the light gray color, so I did mix some of my beige color and some of my black, and yeah, just kind of got a darker gray. And I'm not trying to be perfect painting these little crates. I definitely want some of that light gray to show through a little bit. Kind of gives it a distressed look with paint. And then I'm just dry brushing the sides. And then I did dip just the very tip of the brush into some white paint too, and I'm just kind of dragging that across. It's a little bit hard to see here, but in the finished, oh, there, I guess you can see it a little bit. And then I did find these little wood blocks at the Dollar Tree as well. I just drilled holes in each one of them. Some of them split, which is going to tend to happen because they are small blocks and they're soft wood. But for the most part, most of them I was able to drill through just fine. And now I'm just kind of, dry brushing white over all of the sides. Again, not trying to be perfect. I kind of want a little bit of that underwood to show through. Oh, I missed a part of my video. But I didn't use a marker because I didn't want it to bleed on the block. So I just took a black colored pencil and I wrote the word grateful, 1 letter for each block. And then as you can see here, I just dragged some jute through it, tied knots on the end, and then glued those to the front. And then the letters kept kind of turning and sliding a little bit, so I did decide to give them each a little dollop of hot glue just to kind of hold them in place. And then I did want something on the top, so I took my burlap and made a bow. So again, I'm going to take the ends, overlap them in the middle of the back, pinch it, and then wrap it with my wire. And I did leave quite a bit of excess wire in the back as well because I am going to make another little bow to put on top of that onto my buffalo plaid. So with the excess wire, I'm just going to kind of attach the 2 together. And then we'll go ahead and attach it to the crate. So there was, again, excess wire, so I kind of wrapped it through the top crate a little bit, and then I will make it a little more stable with some hot glue as well, which I'm doing right now. It's kind of hard to see. We'll fluff our bow and then it will be ready to go. And this is how it looks when it's finished. Nothing major, but just a cute little accent piece for the living room that's also functional. So like I said, everybody can make sure to throw the remotes in there. And we can fit our phone chargers through the back and those little open parts of the crate too, which will be kind of nice. So I can hold our phones in while we charge them. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.